Strokes are of following kinds:
standing slope, sleeping slope,
slanting stroke left to right, slanting stroke right to left, slanting stroke up and down, standing stroke with bend, standing line, tracing line with Jerry. Join the dots to make standing line. Join the dots, page 1. Standing line. Join the dots, page 2. Standing line, sleeping line. Join the dots, page 3. Standing line, sleeping line. Page 4, standing line. Page 5, standing line. Page 6, standing line. Page 7, standing line. Page 8, standing line. Page 9, standing line. 9 pages for practice. 10 page, standing sleeping line. 11, standing sleeping. 12 page, standing sleeping. 13, standing sleeping. 13 pages of practice. 14 page, standing sleeping. Fun. Throw the lines by using different colored pencils. Standing, sleeping, slanting. Sleeping line, page 1. Standing line, page 2. Sleeping line, page 2. Sleeping line, page 3. With objects, umbrella and clouds. Sleeping line with bend. Sleeping line. Join the dots. Triangle. Draw first a triangle. Finished?
Yeah.
On this, one more triangle. Finished?
not. Yeah.
2 sleeping lines, slanting lines. One circle, big circle, little big. One small circle. From this triangle corner, one slanting line. One standing line. One sleeping line. Finished? From this corner, one slanting line. One slanting line up. And one slanting line. Finished?
Yeah.
Slanting, Nidhi. One slanting below the sleeping line and another slanting. One slanting, one sleeping, sleeping, then sleeping, and small slanting, and small sleeping.
Done.
Next, triangle. One triangle, sleeping, slanting, 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 sleeping, slanting, slanting. Below the sleeping line, slanting in between. And then again slanting, sleeping. Slanting, same over here like this. Slanting, slanting, and slanting. 3 times slanting. One more slanting. Okay, would do. Now hands. Slanting from this corner. Slanting, slanting. Slanting upward, slanting. Again upward. Again slanting upward. Then head. Correct. Then 2 standing lines on the sleeping lines. One small circle. Again one small circle. Again here, over here. That's it. Same triangle. Again one triangle down, one triangle up. Okay. Finished?
Yeah.
And hands. You go with hands here. Or you can do 2 standing lines. And one circle, one small circle, one slanting Nidhi, and one slanting up, and small slanting. Okay, the same here. Slanting, 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 slanting. Okay. Same legs over here. Slanting, slanting, sleeping. Slanting, slanting, slanting. Okay? Got it?
Yeah.
Now we'll color.
Start.
Do green, I will do orange. Okay? What this painting is called? Warli painting. What it is called? Triangle is made of what? One sleeping line and 2 slanting lines. What are you coloring? A triangle, right? It contains one sleeping line and 2. One sleeping line and 2. A triangle is made up of one sleeping line. A triangle is made up of. Very good. Nice coloring. Triangle is made up of one. Correct. Which color you are coloring?
Orange.
Orange is the fruit also.
Yeah.
The color of a fruit orange is orange. And which color you colored before?
Green.
Green color is for what? Green color is for what?
Grass.
Grass. Correct. Very good. So we'll draw little grass also.
Yeah. Stop. Not.
Take your own time. Enjoy drawing. Here what we have studied: slanting, sleeping. And while drawing grass, we will do which line for grass we will do, Nidhi? Standing line. Take this color. What are you doing? Outline.
Yeah.
Outline is of which color?
Black.
Black. Black color is also for hair. Black color is also for hair. Which color is this?
Skin.
Do green, I will do orange. Okay. What this painting is called? Warli painting. What it is called?
Warli painting.
Triangle is made of what? One sleeping line and 2 slanting lines. What are you coloring? A triangle, right?
Yeah.
It contains one sleeping line and 2. One sleeping line and 2.
Slanting lines.
A triangle is made up of one sleeping line.
And two slanting lines.
A triangle is made up of nice coloring.
Hands.
A triangle is made up of one
Slanting one sleeping line, two slanting line.
correct. Which color you are coloring?
Orange.
Orange is the fruit also.
Yeah.
The color of a fruit orange is orange. And which color you colored before?
Green.
Green color is for what? Green color is for what?
Grass.
Grass. Correct. Very good. So we'll draw little grass also.
Yeah. Stop. Not.
Take your own time. Enjoy drawing. Here what we have studied: slanting, sleeping. Take this color. What are you doing? Outline. Outline is of which color?
Black.
Black. Black color is also for hair. Black color is also for hair. Which color is this? Stop. Standing line, standing line. You just have to draw standing lines. Try to draw them straight. Standing lines. Standing lines. What is this painting called? What is this
Warli
painting called?
painting. Warli painting.
Standing line. Standing line. More and more. Warli painting is made up of standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines, circle, curves. Okay? You like Warli painting?
Triangle.
Triangle. You like? What are you coloring?
Warli painting.
Which is the shape? What is the shape you are coloring?
Hello parents and children. Warli painting is definitely going to be a good future all over the world. So please do teach Warli painting to kids. In January 2021, British Council kept an exhibition of Warli painting, and in Japan also it is used nowadays. In many other countries it is appreciated and used. Warli painting is a Maharashtrian and Gujarati art, village art, but nowadays it is seen all over the world. Soon this art will have a good future ahead. English concept of standing sleeping lines can be taught to children using this art. So kids, definitely try Warli painting Bye bye. See you in the next video.
नवीन